Choose your fighter.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today is a video of how I soak off my dip powder on my nails. I'm just gonna soak the 4 because on this one is a repair, and so I have a little bit of non-acetone that I'm gonna use to remove the nail polish. On my previous video, this was just like a clear dip color. Well, clear is not a color, but it was a clear dip, and I painted this C&D polish over it. So stay tuned for my next video because this is the look that I'm going to be doing, and these are all dip color powders. So let's get started. What I have is a microwave safe ceramic bowl filled with rice. I didn't measure. It was just enough to keep the heat trapped. So I say like a cup and a half, a cup. I also have a Ziploc bag with 1 dryer sheet. I just have 1 today because, like I said, I'm going to do 4 nails. So I got a dryer sheet, Ziploc bag, rice in my ceramic bowl that I put in the microwave for about a minute. You can use whatever acetone you want. I have different bottles, but because I'm gonna fill this up just a little bit, honestly, I'll show you how much I use. Just enough to wet the sheet with this bag because like gloves are sold out everywhere and I wasn't just gonna run all over. I'm going to protect this hand with this just in case I want to scrub in there. Also, I'm going to use cotton pad and some cotton balls to remove this one. So that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know why my hand is still in there. I didn't want to buff the nail because I just didn't want the dust everywhere. Why would I want like orange nail polish everywhere? It's just like multitasking at its finest. You always want to soak off acrylic or dips with acetone, and then you want to take off nail polish if you want to continue to have your acrylics on with non-acetone. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, baby. I'm just gonna buff it all away, and they look really healthy to me. They look pretty pink and bright and white, and so I'm just gonna clean them up, buff them out.